70% of all women and 30% of men in this country have them. Varicose veins run in the family and are more common in certain professions which require prolonged standing or sitting. The varicose veins are not only unattractive, but can also be a health hazard, such as leg ulcers and blood clots. Varicose veins are a common yet treatable condition that affect millions of Americans each year.
Initially, the varicose veins may be relatively asymptomatic. Most of the people, they may not realize that they have varicose veins. It may start out as a cosmetic problem, but as the time goes, people may start having some pain, some aching sensation, some fatigue, some limitation of the exercise. Eventually, as the time goes, and if they do not seek any medical treatment, varicose veins can cause higher risk for developing blood clots, higher risk for developing discoloration, swelling of the legs, and eventually, if they still do not seek any medical treatment, they can develop non-healing ulcers of the legs. And if you develop those ulcers, that is the last stage of varicose veins, and those ulcers will not heal unless the underlying problem, which is the problem with the varicose veins, is being taken care of first.
The traditional treatment, called surgical stripping, is complicated, requiring general or spinal anesthesia in a hospital setting, while the surgeon physically removes the diseased veins. But technology in this niche arena has improved drastically, giving patients non-surgical options that can be performed in a doctor's office.
In our office, we actually have a non-surgical way of treating this called endovenous laser ablation. And with that, what we do is we can find the veins with an ultrasound. We can thread a small laser fiber inside your vein. And when that laser is turned on, it will cause the vein to close. Following that, your blood will automatically reroute to other healthier veins that don't have the same problem.
Several years ago, I had my veins stripped, and there was a 6-week recovery with that. I had a recurrence of the varicose veins, so I found Dr. Garg in his office and had several laser treatments, and there was no downtime at all. I went back to my regular activities immediately.
It was very comfortable. The staff is wonderful. The procedure itself, there was no downtime. So I was able to go back to work, maintain my normal life, exercising, different things like that.
The satisfaction rate with the laser treatment of the varicose veins is about 90%. It is very gratifying, it's very satisfying. I have had patients, they will come to me, the doctor, I have not been able to wear shorts or the skirt for last number of years, and then suddenly after the vein treatment is done, after the vein treatment is completed, they are able to go out in shorts and skirts, they are able to enjoy their life, they are able to enjoy their summer activities, and it is very gratifying, it's very satisfying.
Are you living with unsightly varicose veins? Do your legs feel heavy and achy because of them? If so, don't wait any longer to have them treated. The expert medical staff at Veins Without Surgery can have your legs looking and feeling better than ever, and treatment options are easier than you think. Dr. Garg uses the most innovative, non-invasive technologies available today, getting you back on your feet in no time.
The ultrasound is very specific and very precise. It allows us to, it tells us which vein is abnormal and which vein is not. Once we're able to complete the ultrasound, we're able to draw a road map of our veins, and that allows us to, once again, develop a treatment plan.
Varicose veins, they made my life a little more difficult for me as far as self-image and being confident. They were painful and uncomfortable, and Dr. Garg's staff helped me boost my self-esteem again and made me want to be able to wear shorts and go out and enjoy my life once again.
I am very happy with my experience with Dr. Garg and his staff. I would recommend them to family and friends.
I have done more than 3,000 vein procedures in my practice. It makes me very happy when the patient comes back to me and says, "Doctor, my life has changed. I feel much better." There can be nothing more satisfying than that.
To learn more and schedule a consultation, visit us online or call the number on your screen.